Philippines. It's our time. From classroom sparks to startups born, we push through night, we greet the morn. Chapters rising, hands held high, building futures that touch the sky. AI, climate change we face, tech for good, we set the pace. From Luzon to Mindanao, we take the lead and we show how. Tech empowered, hearts ignited, Filipinos all united. From the grassroots to the sky, we innovate, we amplify. This is our call, for one, for all. DEVCON strong, will never fall. Together we code, together we climb. For the Philippines, it's our time. One mission clear, tech for hope and tech for cheer. One vision, one beat, stand tall, don't stall. A tech-empowered future for all. Tech-empowered, hearts ignited, Filipinos all united. Raise our banners, break the wall. We are DEVCON, we rise for all. This is our call, for one, for all. DEVCON strong, will never fall. Together we build. For the Philippines, now's our time.